Here we have a 69 plate Mini Cooper S Sport, and this vehicle has over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all of which listed on the website, but they include the comfort and also the navigation package. We have the 17-inch JCW track spoke alloy wheels in gloss black. We also have the British racing green exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights. We also have the black stripes across the bonnet, the S badging on the front grille. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the black door mirrors and door handles. We also have the black roof up top with the black spoiler. We've got the privacy glass for the rear passengers and also the chrome trim around the windows. We do have rear parking sensors with a visual display. And we also have the twin pipe exhaust just down there in the centre, along with the Cooper S badging as well. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look then at the interior, so inside of here you find we have the two seats at the back. If we just take a look at the back first, you see we have them two seats with the fixed ISO points. We do also have the two seats at the front of the JCW Sports seats, both of which are heated. We do have the electric mirrors, electric windows. We also have the automatic lights and the automatic wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel. If we take a seat inside, then you find we have the premium Harman Kardon sound system just there. As a look at the dashboard, we do have the start button just down here, so if we put our foot on the clutch, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. We have the 6-speed manual gearbox. As you can see, we do have the heads-up display just here, if the camera can pick it up. If any of the lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. As you can see, we're free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We do have the main screen here in the centre as well, currently showing the sat-nav. But this is also touchscreen, so if we go onto the home, you see we have the My Mini just here. We go into the settings, you find we have the ambient lighting just here. We do also have other options, so we have the media and the radio just here. As you can see, the Bluetooth audio, USB, and also the radio stations. We also have the phone connectivity for making phone calls just there. And if you put the car into reverse, then you find we have the rear parking sensors just there, pop up on the screen. If you put it back into neutral, moving further down, we also have the climate control and the heated seats as well on either side. We have the start button, we have the auto start button, traction control and the different drive modes. So if you press that just there, you see we have the green drive mode, we have mid and also sport. Again, we have the 6-speed manual gearbox. We have a USB port just down there and a 12-volt connectivity. We've got the two cup holders and we also have the shortcuts just here for the screen. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mini Cooper S Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I've now had to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. We do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the speed limiter and the cruise control just here on the left hand side. We have the dashboard here in front of us, along with the heads-up display as well, just above there. We do also have the sports seats in this vehicle, which are very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. And if you do listen carefully as well throughout this vehicle test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the main infotainment screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. We also have plenty of other features on there as well, such as the DAB radio. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity and much more. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible in this vehicle. Down here we have the climate control, which has the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for these hot summer days. And we also have the 6-speed manual gearbox as well, with all the different drive modes. Now we're about to take a right hand turn in a moment, so I'll put our right indicator on and start to slow down. Before making the right hand turn, I will then make an emergency stop. So if we slow down and then make the right hand turn onto the industrial park before an emergency stop now in 3, 2, 1. Hold on to the brakes, and then if you put the car now into reverse, we've got the rear parking sensors just there. Take it out of reverse, put it back into first. As you see, with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today. Cheers.